students, in this video we are going to do the project PIR motion detection with our BNSS IoT Trainer Kit. For that we need PIR sensor, LED, jumper wires and Arduino Uno from our kit. To do the project, we need to create the circuit as per this schematic diagram. That is, and connect the positive pin in the LED to Arduino pin D12. Connect the out pin in the PIR sensor to Arduino pin D3. After connecting the circuit, upload the project to the Arduino Uno using Arduino IDE as shown in our Arduino IDE tutorial video. After completing the code uploading process, we just have to check the output of the project to see when the motion is detected, the LED will turn on. If no motion is detected, the LED will turn off. Did you know? Automatic door openers are using PIR motion detection. Thank you.